Good afternoon, everybody. We are just trying to continue the morning session. Sorry, we were unable to do it in the morning because of the network problem. I'm supposed to take up television journalism for you in this semester. And first of all, congratulations for all of you for the EST program you have done. So it was very nice, and you have prepared yourself a lot, and from that only I wanted to start actually, and I wanted to know from you that what are all the preparations you have done before starting the program. So apart from content, so content is script, so you had a content, and to support the script you had a lot of things. Drawing actually taken to videos and some of your own paintings, and for the other grammar actually she had a very good knowledge in presenting the session, Priyanka, and it was also very nice, and I have seen these two videos only perfectly. The rest of the videos, so I am going to edit in a later time and we will be watching them. It was very nice.
Ma'am, super Thank you. Ma'am, super
இப்போ நம்ம அது எப்படி ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் பண்றதுன்னு கான்செப்ட் ஸ்பீச்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒன்னு பார்க்க போறோம், சரிங்களா?
Morning session, you're all telling that we have a camera, phone, we have an app, so internet. That's all. So for doing the program, apart from the content, so it is fine. So your app or phone have all the facilities like camera, microphone, which I didn't have properly. So the class I was unable to conduct perfectly. So you need a mic. That is okay. Camera is for video and a mic for audio. These two things are very important. So after that we will have to assemble it as a program, and we have to transmit this. For the transmit the program only, here we use internet and the app. The app actually has a capacity to assemble all the other accessories like camera, that may be a camera from your phone or a separate webcam, anything. And a microphone will be normally an external microphone connected to the phone or the system. So it has the capacity to assemble all these inputs and process it, and the output will be transmitted, everything in a package. So this is the ultimatum we have gained due to technology. So everybody, those who have a smartphone, can just do a program and transmit it. So people can gather in a meeting, and the meeting can be immediately broadcast. So we are in an age of ultimate of the video production or television production, whatever you say. But this was not the case in the beginning. So when television production started, the camera was very huge. That was occupying 75% of the room. So it was a huge studio. So a camera will be like a very huge boiler sort of machine that will be occupying 75% of the area. So a person has to sit in front of the camera. So obviously a news reader, and you need lot of lightings for illuminating the background as well as the news reader or announcer who are needed. Then the program will be recorded, and it will be directly, mostly it will be directly telecasted. So that the output of the camera will be connected to a transmitting end. This was the case. So where a television program cannot go beyond the studio. So normally it will be in-house production. So it will be done in the studio only. Suppose if somebody want to do a musical concert also, so they will be sitting in a floor, they will have all the equipments, they will sing a song, so all the orchestra will be there, everybody will be playing music, and that will be recorded or transmitted directly from the camera. So we have started like that. So from that age we have come to this age. So here you can just take your camera, your telephone, which is having internet connection, and you can just sit. So there is no preparation, you can just have your camera switched on. So you should have an app, downloaded an app, a proper app for connecting all these facilities. You have a camera separately, maybe having a camera separately, or a mic separately, or all other features separate, but everything connected together, the app can manage and it can transmit immediately to a large gathering. So this to a large viewers, in fact. So this is possible. So in television production, in this syllabus, we are going to cover how it has started. So what were all the problems they were facing, and how they have managed it, and how expertise is required for making a program, and who are all the crew members. So normally for your ECT program also you needed a lot of people. No? So ma'am was organizing. So ma'am was managing the app. Time to time, whenever you get stuck, ma'am was there and she was helping you. And you had a lot of viewers. So those people were watching, at the same time they were participating in the program. So more than 40 to 60 students. It is really a big task. But one thing I find a little different from that program and our program is those children are not stop talking. They are just talking all the time. But here, hardly our students talk. After asking a lot of questions, only one person was just answering. Then they said immediately, "I are not able to hear." There is a normally everybody will say, no? The students also they say, "Ma'am, I am not able to hear you." That is a very easy way of escaping from things. But here it is not the case. Then it is my problem, and I couldn't connect the microphone well with the software. So microphone was working. At the same time, it was not connected properly. It was not selected properly. That was the problem. Okay, anyhow. So I hope you will find time to watch this video and get yourself prepared for the future interviews. And again, this is a theory class, and ma'am will be there. Niveda ma'am will be there, I think, for taking up your practicals. I want all of you to participate in doing your practicals. So now you gain a lot of knowledge. No? So you are doing the program, so you know how to present a program and how to get the attention of the audience. We got the immediate feedback from the students. That's how it was. After showing the drawing of Janani, so many students started telling, "Ma'am, it was nice, this is good," and how it was made. Watercolor or oil painting. So all those things they were able to give you the feedback also. So it was very nice. So we will have to thank the technology, in fact. Really.
Wow, nice, miss.
And actually, starting from the olden ages,
Pencil.
Correct.
the
Drawing.
the moving picture was in film. So you must be knowing that. And the movies were made in films. And the video was a technology developed little later. That was also, the video will be recorded in a tape. That tape will be used for editing the program and finalizing it for telecasting. So otherwise, it will be a live program. Somebody will be sitting in front of the camera and doing the performance or reading the news, and immediately they will go on air. So there is a problem. You are not supposed to make any mistakes in between. So you cannot just say that okay, this line I went wrongly saying, change the name, so I forgotten the name. Suppose if we are talking about some foreign delegate's name in the news, so you might forget in between. What is that name? You cannot ask somebody and correct it yourself and again redo it. That is not possible. So you should have the script and the news for say about 15 minutes. If you have the news, you should know thoroughly the news. You will be supplied with the paper normally, so you can just look down and look up for the viewers. So you can just clarify what is there in the news. But later they started providing a facility called teleprompter. So the teleprompter is a machine that is fitted on top of the camera, so that newsreader will have to just see the teleprompter, and the teleprompter your news will scroll. So you can just watch there and you can just read. That has become again like Yendran robot, just reading the news. So there is no expression. They are afraid that we should not miss the scroll. Then they understood the technique. So they used to have a paper or something beneath. So they'll just look there and look down. So they'll change the look. So it will appear like they're just reading it from the paper. It is not the case. The teleprompter was used for presenting the news. That will go online directly, and suppose if they make any mistake in transmission also, that will create a lot of problems. So the viewer will get disturbed. So in olden days, Doordarshan, this our television channel, so in between a lot of times you can see sorry for the break. I think today's session mostly we have that problem. Totally it was sorry for the break only. There's a lot of breaks. So there is only break, and in between the session went on. The other way around. Then slowly they started developing it. Then they started they can just record. They can do the recording, they can cut. Then they can insert images, pictures, graphics, lot of things they can add, and then after 15 once the production is over, the news will be telecasted. They started doing it, especially the private channels. When the satellite channels and all, they started recording, and Raj TV and all, I know they used to record. After that only they will telecast. Then again there is a development. There is no need for tapes. You need not have to record the video in a tape and replay it, and the tape get damaged, you will be losing the quality. Not the case. Now it is digital totally. So you have a digital recorder. The cameras are fitted with high quality hard disk recorders. So you can record the entire program. Then the hard disk can be connected to the system. They will do the editing, and many number of computers are connected in network. So the graphics will be done elsewhere. So once the video is edited, so the graphics can be gained and graphic will be added, and a lot of cards can be inserted. So all these facilities started coming. So it is not a one-man job anymore. And it need not have to go to desk after desk also. So you can sit in your area, in a master computer. So all these things will be supplied and shared with all the concerned departments. Audio, so totally different. So dubbing you can do elsewhere, and that dubbing can be matched with a video, especially for the serials. Serials, they used to dump the video in the system. One person will be doing the editing, and the another person will be doing the audio editing elsewhere, and special sounds will be incorporated, and titles will be done, CG will be done separately. All these things will get matched. Once your work is over, you have done the rough cut, then other person will add the audio in their system, accessing the same file, and another person will add the CG, that is computer graphics. So, and one more person will be there to look after the cards, what are all they want to insert, advertisement finally they'll add, and final output will be taken and supplied. So, a lot of areas are there now. It is more sophisticated than the olden days. So, we will just see the step-by-step change in the forthcoming classes. Actually, it started from film. The first it was only direct telecast. So, a person will have to sit and read the news or do the performance in front of the camera. The camera will be connected to the transmission end and it will be transmitted. Any mistakes done cannot be rectified. So that is what we are doing. Zoom app today, we started doing our class in between problem. So this was the case in the beginning. Then they started adding the film clips from the film. We have to incorporate. So in between the program, the film clippings will be introduced. Then later they started using a video. After video, the regular conventional tape method, they went on to digital methods, and today we have everything in our phone and an app and with an internet. So this is the overall development in television production, and in the forthcoming classes we look after one by one, and I want all of you to get participated. If you find it very difficult to talk, okay, so you can just send the questions through chat also. So suppose if you have a problem, so you have a doubt, you can just send your queries through the chat. Finally, after the end of the class, at least I'll try to clarify all your doubts. Messaging facility is there if you don't want to talk. But I want all of you to talk in the classroom. So what is there? Especially some students, they were there till the end of the program, but they were not talking. So okay, up to Priyanka had a problem with their phone, but others, you can talk in Tamil or you can talk in English, it's not a problem. Language is not a problem, but at least you should talk. So don't think that will go wrong. That is, nobody is going to laugh. That is not a problem. So you should come out, you should talk. So that is, otherwise now I can just talk in front of the camera like this and upload the program on YouTube. So why we are conducting a class in online? So we should have interaction. I should get your feedback. The only one feedback was, sorry, your voice is not, we are not able to hear your voice. That was the only feedback I was getting from your side. Lucky. So in between, some of the answers are there. I think by the time I'll see all your programs also, other programs, that ECT. So some storytelling was there, I think. And people, that craft thing I have seen, that people, students, they were making their own toys. That program also I have seen. So I was there in the session, I have seen. That was very nice. They were also good. They wanted to see small children. They happily accepting all your inputs, and they started doing their own things. It was very nice. And okay, that's fine. And, totally. So you understood the subject. So how we can really manipulate things, and how we can really use what is available and get the best out of the classroom. That was very nice. So I really appreciate it. And others, those who are not in the session also, okay, in future you will have to compensate that. You should do a lot of things, some short films or some news coverage, news documentaries you can make, and you can share with your friends. You can use it for your practical. You should prove yourself.